Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, August 18th, and this is my analysis on the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame. So on the dollar Canadian, to me, it still looks like impulsive down. It still looks like three waves up, but then what happened was it made another three waves down. The third wave went right to the 100% Fibonacci extension also. So this probably is going up now, maybe even make a double top or maybe even take out the high before it actually does make that bigger move to the downside. So let's take a look at that on the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame is where you can see the one, two, three waves down with a break of structure to the upside. We know that this pattern is complete. I mean, this move up definitely could make a correction and go down again, but with that three wave shape, it's probably more likely to end up looking something like that. Probably going all the way up and taking out this high before it really does end up continuing the downtrend in a bigger way. So let's head down to the daily time frame. On the daily time frame is where you can see this trend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the trend is very overlapping, which tells me it probably is a wave C because trends within corrections are most of the time overlapping. And I do see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves up, but I do not see a Fibonacci bounce. I definitely don't see a break of structure, and I for sure don't see any engulfing moves to the downside, telling me that there's really no reason to think this trend is over, and it very easily could just keep on going up, telling me that until I get proof that this trend is not up anymore, I am definitely going to continue to look for shorts on shorter time frames. So since the last ABC correction way back here, the price has definitely been making higher lows the whole way up. Our most recent structure level is right here, so unless price goes down and takes out that level, I am definitely primarily only looking for longs in an uptrend. I'm definitely going to continue to look for pullback entries. Anytime this thing pulled back on the shorter time frames over the last week or so, if you went long, you would have been in some very profitable trades. So let's take it right down to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, we just recently had an ABC correction today. That was definitely an ABC. Nice little entry to go long. I don't even really think it's over. I think it's more likely to keep on going up. But if it does make a pullback, that's actually very good for us because at the end of pullbacks is where I look to go long again. Like I said, if I went long at the end of every single one of these pullbacks the whole way up, we would have made some nice money in the market. So I'm going to continue to look for longs at the end of pullbacks for the continuation of this big uptrend that I was showing on the longer time frames. So don't forget to join my free Discord group. The link for that is on the screen and in the description. Thanks and happy trading.